Hi, my stamping friends. It's Marilyn Wagner here at Stamping Creations with Marilyn, coming to you from Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada. Just wanted to share some of my Stampin' Up history with you and let you know that yes, I am a real person. I love doing Facebook Lives and teaching classes on Zoom and just sharing in this community with all the other paper crafters I've met since I joined 15 years ago. Yes, yes. In September, it will be September 2022, it will be 15 years. I joined mainly to get a full set of 10 stamp pads because I was sharing with my daughter, and she lived about an hour away. And never had any idea that I would start a business or anything, but I have thoroughly enjoyed it. I do have a team, which anybody is welcome to join in Canada, and anybody can join my classes. Some of them are just Zoom classes, so you don't need to buy product, and therefore you can join from anywhere in the world. And some of them are product based. I do kits and send them out to you. So those we do on Zoom as well and do together. So it's a great time, great community. We have lots of fun. I do things from my home here, and with the internet, it has opened up a lot of possibilities for me and for you. So I'm hoping that you enjoy my YouTube channel. Please like and comment and share, and I will check back in regularly. I also have a Facebook page, a VIP page, where I'm going to share my Facebook Lives and lots of other details. And I have an Instagram account that I'm keeping up as well. So I hope to see you on one or all of those channels. And as always, please sign up for my newsletter. Details will be in the description of this video. And I send out at least one email a week, if sometimes more, if there's more things happening with Stampin' Up or more things happening in my creating world. So let me know what you would like to see. And if you have any concerns, if you have any suggestions for anything you would like me to share, let me know, and I would love to accommodate you. So hopefully I will see you on this crafting journey. Take care now.